Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch tech gray aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and cross path detection, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 33,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5850.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.